Position if you're going to use propane.
Right.
So that's in the off position. You turn this main breaker off on this side. And you don't even have to turn this main breaker off. They just recommend it.
Yeah.
And you got the key for the generator?
Tony,
Okay.
Oh, right here. All right, it's right here. I gotta get the key.
Turn the gas on.
Turn the gas on.
That might help.
Put the key in here. Turn this on to the open position.
It's open position now, that thing?
Yeah, it shows you right there.
Oh, okay.
Most of this stuff's self-explanatory. But you leave if you're going to use propane, you just leave this in the off position.
Okay.
Turn the breaker off. Put that in the open position.
Now the breaker's up here.
No,
No,
it's on the.
on here.
Okay, that breaker off. Okay.
This breaker off.
Alright.
And then you just start it up. Get it started. On this, you have two little notches. They go right there. Push it in. Quarter turn.
Do I have to turn something off here?
Not yet. You can put this on. It's not coming out.
Okay.
But this is when you have it on for 3 to 4 days. You put this on so the vibration don't hurt it or anything. Turn the breaker on. Plug it in. You have power. Now for the generator to work, all you have to do, turn your main breaker off, slide this over,
Now, if you want to run the AC.
if you want to run the AC,
Yeah.
which is, air conditioner. What I recommend is turn everything else off so nothing else kicks on, and then you can turn your AC on.
Okay.
What?
What's the AC?
AC, it says conditioner. It's labeled right.
Okay.
But what I recommend before you turn it on is turn off all your 2-pole breakers so nothing else can kick on to draw power. If you're not using the AC, you can leave all the other channels on because
So,
your refrigerator
so you're saying turn off all these little ones too?
No, just
If
the
you-
brown ones.
If you're going to use the AC, you might want to turn all the little ones off too. That way your refrigerator doesn't kick on and things like that.
What if you want the refrigerator to work?
Now, the AC in the refrigerator should be able to run with a 12,000-watt generator with no problem.
Okay.
It's just if you keep on adding like the bathroom lights, or you might have a problem with the draw. Like I said, right now the AC is on
Well, what's this?
your air handler, your furnace,
Oh, okay.
your water heater. So if you want hot water, you can turn the AC off,
And turn that
turn
back
that on
on.
for an hour or two, get hot water, come down here, turn that off, turn your AC back on. But right now, your pool heater, this breaker, these just keep off.
Okay.
That's the main thing. Then when the power is back on, you slide this over, you're back on the main power.
So it doesn't hurt to have that up and that plugged in at the same time?
No, because this breaker and this breaker can't be on at the same time.
Okay, so that's off and that's on.
Keeps you from backfeeding.
The main line. So right now you're on house power. I turn this off, slide it over, you're on generator power.
I see. Okay.
So then you can turn everything else back on that was turned off.
Alright.
And this, you just quarter turn, pull it out.
thought you were supposed